Question number 23. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, the middle points of whose sides are 0, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, 0. Let A, B, C. Let us draw a triangle ABC. A is equal to x1, y1 and B is equal to x2, y2. C is equal to x3. C is equal to x3, y3. The middle points whose sides, that is D, E and F. D is 0, 1 upon 2. E is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and F point is 1 by 2, 0. By midpoint formula. AB, that is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is equal to 0, 1 upon 2, which implies x1 plus x2 upon 2 is equal to 0 and 2 multiplied by 0, x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. And second point, that is y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2, 2 is cancelled and y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. It's equation first and equation second. By midpoint formula, BC, that is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2, that is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, which implies x2 plus x3 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 is cancelled and we get x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. It's equation number third. And y2 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 is cancelled. y2 plus y3 is equal to 1. It's equation number 4. And CA, that is equal to x1 plus x3 upon 2, y1 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 0, which implies x1 plus x3 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 is multiplying by right side, 2 is cancelled, and we get x1 plus x3 is equal to 1. Equation number 5. And y1 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 0. y1 plus y3 is equal to 0. It's equation number 6. From first, x1 is equal to minus x2. And we are putting x1 is equal to minus x2 in equation number 5. Minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Adding 2x3 is equal to 2, which implies x3 is equal to 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. x3 is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. And x3, we are putting x3 is equal to 1 equation 5. x1 plus 1 is equal to 1, which implies x1 is equal to 1 minus 1, and x1 is equal to 0. We are putting x1 equal to 0 in equation first, then x2 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 0, putting equation first, then x2 is equal to 0, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0. From equation second, y1 is equal to 1 minus y2. Put in equation sixth, we get 1 minus y2 plus y3 is equal to 0, and minus y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 1. And equation number 4, that is y2 plus y3 is equal to 1. Adding, we get 2y3 is equal to 0, and y3 we get 0, and we are putting y3 equal to 0 in equation 4, then y2 is equal to 1. and y2 is equal to 1, putting equation number second, then y1 is equal to 1 minus y2 is equal to 1, putting equation second, y1 plus 1 is equal to 1, which implies y1 is equal to 1 minus 1 and y1 is equal to 0. So required points, we get a is equal to x1 y1, x1 0, y1 0, 0 0, and coordinate points of b, that is x2 y2, x2 0 and y2 1. And coordinate points of c, that is x3 y3, x3 is 1 and y3 is 0, 1 comma 0. Answer: let a is equal to x1 y1, b is equal to x2 y2 and c is equal to x3 y3. So by midpoint formula, ab x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is equal to 0 comma 1 by 2, and x1 plus x2 upon 2 equal to 0, x1 plus x2 that will be 0, and y1 plus y2 upon 2 equal to 1 by 2, 2 multiplying right side, 2 is cancelled and we get y1 plus y2 equal to 1. It's equation number second. And similarly BC, by midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 2 comma y2 plus y3 upon 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. First point equal to 1 by 2, 2 multiplying right side, 2 is cancelled and x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. It's equation number third. And y2 plus y3 upon 2 equal to 1 by 2, 2 is cancelled and y2 plus y3 is equal to 1. It's equation number 4. And by midpoint formula, CA, that is x1 plus x3 upon 2 comma y1 plus y3 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 0. First point is 1 by 2, 2 is cancelled and x1 plus x3 is equal to 1. It's equation 5. And y1 plus y3 upon 2 equal to 0, 2 multiply by 0, this will be 0, and y1 plus y3 is equal to 0. It's equation number 6. From equation first, x1 equal to minus x2, and we are putting x1 equal to minus x2 in equation number 5. Minus x2 plus x3 equal to 1 and x2 plus x3 equal to 1. From equation third and fifth, adding we get 2x3 equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 and x3 is equal to 1. We are putting x3 equal to 1 in fifth equation, then x1 is equal to x1 plus 1 equal to 0, x1 is equal to 1 minus 1 and that is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we get x1 equal to 0, and x1, we are putting x1 equal to 0 in equation first, we get x2 is also equal to 0. And from equation second, y1 plus y2 equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 1 minus y2, and we are putting equation second in sixth equation. 1 minus y2 plus y3 equal to 0, minus y2 plus y3 equal to 1 is shifting right, this will be negative minus 1, and subtracting minus y2 and adding minus y2 plus y3 equal to minus 1 and y2 plus y3 is equal to 1, equation 4th. y2 is cancelled and 2 times of y3 equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, then y3 is equal to 0. Then y3 is equal to 0, y3 is equal to 0, then y2 is equal to 1, and y2 is equal to 1, put in equation number second, y1 plus 1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So required points, A is equal to x1 y1, that is x1 0 and y1 0. Point B is equal to x2 y2, x2 is 0 and y2 is 1, 0 comma 1. And point C, that is x3 y3, x3 is equal to 1 and y3 is equal to 0. Answer. Thank you.